I'm driving across the dam again. That's Lake Mead side. My pictures didn't turn out very good either earlier, so I'll explain on this video that this little tower here says Arizona time, and there's a little clock. It says 4 p.m. Wait a minute, 4 p.m.? I thought it was 3 o'clock. Oh shit, well we can fix that problem. Here, we'll just drive a little bit this way, a couple hundred feet. You know, there really isn't a line in the middle of the road like in that movie Fools Rush In. Highly disappointed. You can see the water level lower on Mead. It's crazy. Oh wait, and in less than 1 minute time, we come back here, see the clock, Nevada time. It's 3 o'clock again. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. We're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go and park and go find some squish pennies. Take more pictures of this damn dam.
The goddamn.